Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. How do you manage data for your cattle business? Stop relying on pen and paper or complicated programs. Get real-time access from anywhere with Performance Beef. Your feed, financial, and health information is integrated in one easy-to-use platform, accessible from your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Find Performance Beef online to learn more and request a demo. Drought has been a major headwind for cattle producers in many parts of the northern plains and western states this year. Drought maps from the University of Nebraska Drought Mitigation Center continue to show significant portions of the country in drought conditions, although precipitation in the last month or two has helped to some degree. As of October, around 23% of the nation's cow herd lived in a state with moderate or worse drought conditions. This is an improvement from 29% of the beef cow herd in drought from June to September, but still higher than the long-term average of around 16% for the month of October. It's no surprise with these drought conditions that beef cow slaughter has been elevated as producers have been forced to cull more aggressively than they would like. Beef cow slaughter is on pace to finish the year up 10% from last year and the largest since 2011. As a result, CattleFax currently projects the beef cow herd will show a decline of 400,000 head on January 1. Drought conditions likely added about one additional year to this contraction phase of the cattle cycle, with the lows in the beef cow inventory likely coming around 2023. But even at its lows, the beef cow herd is expected to bottom at a level around 1.5 million head larger than in 2014, after the last major drought. While drought conditions have been disastrous for many producers, this drought has affected a much lower percentage of beef cows than the last drought, when as much as 60 to 80% of beef cows were in drought. This drought should also be more short-lived, assuming weather forecasts are correct and conditions improve in 2022. Turning to this week's markets, an active fed cattle trade in the north occurred at mostly 133 to 134 live and 209 to 210 dressed, 1 to 2 higher live and 2 to 3 higher dressed compared to the prior week. Trade in the south was moderate at 132 mainly, 2 to 4 higher. In the box beef complex, the choice cutout moved $8.98 lower this week and select decreased $4.13. Demand has been weaker than expected with the upcoming holidays and the upcoming shortened production week. Around the country, feeder cattle traded mostly steady to 3 firmer, while calves were mainly 1 softer to 5 firmer. Cull cows traded mostly 1 to 3 softer. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.